Good morning, students. Today we are going to read The Shepherd's Treasure. This is the lesson 3 of your supplementary reader. This is the story of a shepherd who lived in Iran. He had never been to a school, so he was uneducated. But though he was uneducated but very wise person, he was very kind. He helped people in their sorrows and troubles. People came to him for his advice. He became famous for his wisdom, sympathy, and friendly nature. Now, the story of this shepherd and his goodness reached to the king of Iran. Now, the king was eager to meet such a honest person. He came to the shepherd hut disguised as a shepherd and stayed with him for the night. They talked, and the king noticed the wisdom and his kindness. He was very much impressed with the shepherd, and he decided to appoint the shepherd as his governor of some district. Now the shepherd became a high seat but remained humble and gentle. He worked hard for the welfare of the people, and people loved and respected him for his wisdom and kindness. Now the news of his goodness spread throughout the country, and the other governors of other districts became jealous of him. They started talking against him. They wanted to bring downfall of the new governor, the shepherd. For this, they made complaint before the king that the new governor is dishonest. He take bribes and keep that money in a box, iron box, which he always carry with him. So, listening so many complaints against the new governor, the king became angry. He was unhappy with the new governor, and he decided to find out the truth. So he called the governor to his court, and he asked about the iron chest and the things kept in it. The new governor asked his men to bring the iron chest before the king. The other governors who were jealous of him became very happy that today is the last day of the new governor. But everyone present there was surprised when the box was opened. There was an old and dirty blanket and some clothes inside the box. Now the king asked that why he had kept such dirty blankets in his box. The shepherd says that it is my treasure. This is my own things. And sir, if you someday somehow turn me out of the service, then this blanket will protect me anytime. The king was impressed he was happy to see the honesty of the new governor. Now he appointed the new governor as a governor of bigger district, and those who were against him, those jealous governor, felt very sorry as they had been not successful in their mission. So you see, children, though the shepherd was poor, uneducated, but there are so many good qualities in the shepherd. And because of those good qualities, kindness, sympathy, friendly nature, honesty, hard working, these good qualities of the shepherd brought him to a high position, and he got respect and love from everyone. So this is the story. Now you will find certain words in the lesson. You look at these words in your textbook. I am reading out the words with their meaning. There is one word, disguised. It means a different appearance in order to conceal identity. Conceal means hide. It means that to change the appearance of someone. Just the king, he took the dress of a shepherd and dressed himself like a shepherd, though he was king. So disguised means to change the appearance in such a way to hide his identity. Mule means a kind of animal. It means the offspring of a donkey and a horse. Make out means understand. Agree, part with. Hospitality, friendly and generous reception of guests or strangers. That is hospitality. Depart, go away. Compliment, admiration, praise. हिंदी में कहें तो प्रशंसा करना. Dignity, the state or quality of being worthy of respect. Dignity means the state of quality of being worthy of respect. Then another word is terribly. Terribly means extremely. Iron chest means iron box. Mockingly, it means making fun of someone. Then summoned. Summoned means called. Then another is thundered. Thundered means shouted. When someone becomes angry, suppose you have done some mistakes, then your parents thunder upon you. They shout upon you. So thundered means shouted. Another one is cloak. CLOAKS, cloaks. It means a royal dress. Next word is embarrassed. Means ashamed. Embarrassed means ashamed, become unhappy. So these are the words. Now after listening the summary of the lesson, you learned that hard work, wisdom, kindness, good qualities makes a man important and he is loved and appreciated by everyone. Right? Now, for your exercise, you will see some questions are given at the text at the end of the lessons. You have to write the answer of these questions, and for your homework, I am reading out the questions. You note it. The question is, why did the king appoint the shepherd as the new governor of a district? Why did the king appoint the shepherd as the new governor of a district? You may say, the king appointed the shepherd as the governor. For what reason? Because of his wisdom. He wanted people like the shepherd to work for him. King wanted to keep person in his service so that they can carry out the work of the kingdom in a honest way and wisely. That's why he appointed the shepherd as the governor of the district. Another question is, how did the shepherd become famous in the country? You see, why people become famous? They become famous when they have some quality within them. So the question is, how did the shepherd become famous in the country? He became famous for his wisdom, goodness, sympathy, and friendly nature. Right? These were the good qualities which made the shepherd famous. Now, another question is, why did the king become angry? See, why your parents become angry? When you do something which is not acceptable, your parents become annoyed, angry. So the king also became angry because he had heard a lot of complaints about the shepherd's dishonesty and his iron box. Though it was not the reality, the complaints were made by the other governors who were jealous of the new governor. So many complaints they brought before the king that the new governor is dishonest. So he became angry. Last question is, what did the shepherd mention about his blanket? When the king asked that why you have kept this old and torn blanket in your iron box, so what did the shepherd reply? Question is, what did the shepherd mention about his blanket? The shepherd mentioned that his blanket was his oldest friend. It will protect him any time from cold. Right? So these 4 questions I have explained the answer. You have to do it in your homework, and the textbook questions you do it yourself. If you find any difficulty, you can ask. Right? Now go through the lesson and try to find out these answer of these questions. कम्युनिटी